Physiology, a branch of biology that deals with the functions of living organisms and their parts. And us, Department of Physiology, aim to understand it all, from molecules to human, via research and teaching. This year, 2014, we celebrate our centenary. We have come a long way from 1913. 2 years after Hong Kong College of Medicine merged into the University of Hong Kong and became Faculty of Medicine, Professor Greer Edmund Malcolmson established Department of Physiology as one of the founding departments under the faculty. 4 years after the department founding, we moved to the old Anatomy and Physiology building on Pok Fu Lam Road. In 1960, Professor K.K. Chang was appointed as the first Chinese head of department, and he was the first of many. In the 4th years of his reign, we moved to the Li Shu Feng building on Session Road. During early 1990s, the establishment of Research Grants Council has greatly strengthened our ability on research, taking our department into a new era. Professor S.F. Pang established our first scientific journal, Biological Signals, which is now known as Neurosignals. Professor David Kwan was an education pioneer. During his leadership, problem-based learning was introduced into the teaching of medical physiology, which was the first in Hong Kong and also in the region. This pedagogy subsequently became one of the core elements of teaching. In 2002, our department moved to the medical complex on Session Road and have been standing strong there since then. From 2012 to now, Professor Y.S. Chen has been our head of department. Under his leadership, we are stronger than ever, but the best is yet to come. If you want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go far, you go together. Therefore, we have been actively organizing and participating in events for knowledge exchange. Everything in the world starts small. In 1983, under the leadership of Professor Joseph Huang, we held our first local science conference. In 1987, we advanced to hold a small-scale international conference that were honored to collaborate with NASA. In 1994, Professor David Kwan organized the first Hong Kong-Taiwan Joint Physiology Symposium and has become a long-running iconic symposium. Since 1997, we are glad to have the Chinese University of Hong Kong to co-organize the symposium with us. Professor Y.S. Chen has been bringing us multiple breakthroughs since 2000. In 2000, Professor Chen organized the first Euro-Asian Pacific School of Brain Functions, and we have maintained an active role in this program since then. Then, Professor Chen brought the first large-scale international event to us in 2006, the 4th Congress of Phyons with over 500 participants. Last but not least, Professor Chen, on behalf of the Chinese Association of Physiological Sciences, successfully secured the right to hold the 2021 International Congress of Physiological Sciences in Beijing. Over these 100 years, our research focus has shifted from system physiology to cellular and molecular physiology. At the moment, our department focuses on 3 research themes: molecular physiology of ion channels, cell signaling in health and disease, and synaptic function and brain disorders. Here, it's not just a teaching and research facility, we are also a cradle of extraordinaries. Over all these years, we have cultivated more than 180 graduates. Our alumni have spread out throughout the globe and making contributions to other communities, including Hong Kong, Singapore, Germany, Canada, the United States, Taiwan, and China. Translational research will be our next target. We aim to convert discoveries among different fields of biology into useful medical practice. We are confident that we will stay as one of the forerunners in the contribution to science and serve the mankind.